Watch it not fucking start.
I think his distributor got swamped. Yeah, hold on. You guys good? I think we're not. 1 second. Hey Rick, these guys are stuck. I'm gonna help them out. You guys got full? Yeah, if you don't mind. So I spotted these two that were stuck on the side here, and I decided to pull over and ask them for some help. We just hooked them up with my tow strap, and we were able to pull them out no problem. Pulled him down to the more hard stuff down there, because where he was at was all pretty soft stand, and he was able to get out of there no problem after that. I never think to point my camera towards the action during recovery. I need to get better at that. It's always kind of a second thought. I don't really think about recording people when I'm trying to help them out like that. After that, we got back on our way.
He's going. He's going.
Oh jeez. Oh jeez.
Watch it not fucking start.
I think his distributor got swamped. Yeah.